I bought this bike 18 years ago, I used to ride up here quite often. Make a big loop out of it. And just in that 18 years, the traffic has just gotten insane. Can't complain right now though. If you're coming to ride motorcycles in the mountains, this should not be your destination. I will give you that heads up. The pavement's amazing though. Maybe I'll change that statement. If you're coming to ride motorcycles in the mountains, maybe you hit this in the summertime on a Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday morning. That way you can get up, get breakfast, maybe get out here by 7:30, 8 o'clock. The traffic shouldn't be too bad. I don't think I'd want to be on this road at noon. Once everybody's up and at it. I was kicking around getting Dollywood season passes this year. I've done that a few times in the past. And I was thinking, you know, $500 for me and the wife to have season passes. You come up here 4 or 5 times, it pays for itself. But if you get stuck on this road, this is the fastest way up here from Murphy. But I've spent hours in traffic on this road before. They were from Florida. It was nice of them to use the pull-off. He had a little deputy sheriff badge in his window. So if he had a career in law enforcement, he probably already knew I was passing him. I wish every state had a lane splitting law for motorcycles. Look how beautiful this is up here. See what I'm talking about? People fill up the pull-offs, parking their cars. And we're not even close to the top, to the real touristy crowd. I watched the weather this morning. The weather's supposed to be absolutely perfect today. This weekend it's supposed to be like a sauna. It only takes one guy to ruin it for everybody. I wonder why we didn't get a passing zone. Those views are just beautiful. Used to pull out. Go ahead, you got a sightsee. Look at those mountains. So we're on the other side. When I shoot video from Foothills Parkways, my Foothills Parkway videos, we're actually pointing at those mountains there on the left, and the mountains we're on right now. But that's what you see. We're going to take the Foothills Parkway back home later. There's no way I'd do this road twice in a day.